Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is our today's topic. We shall be doing active and passive voice of present perfect tense. As you already know that the verb is said to be in active voice if the subject of the sentence is the doer of the action and the object receives the action. For example, she sang a song. In this sentence, she is the doer of the action. It's the subject. Sang is the transitive verb, and you know that the verb which has the object after it is known as the transitive verb. And a song here is the object. When the subject of the sentence is actually not the doer of the action, but is acted upon by the verb, then it is said to be in the passive voice form. And here is the passive voice form of this sentence, which I have already told you about. A song was sung by her. In this sentence, you can notice that the object has taken the position of the subject. Was sung is the verb in its passive voice form. By is the compulsory addition that we do in our passive voice sentences. And her in this sentence is the subject which has taken the position of the object, and the pronoun has been converted into her from she. In order to convert the given active voice sentence of present perfect tense into its passive voice form, we need to do certain changes. Here is the first rule that we follow, and that is the object takes the position of the subject. Secondly, we add has been and have been in our passive voice sentence. We always use the third form of the verb along with by, which is always done in all kinds of passive voice sentences. Then we convert the pronouns. For example, we have taken tea. As you know that this is the affirmative sentence of present perfect tense, and here is its formula. As you already know, have and taken shows that this sentence is written in active voice sentence and it's in present perfect tense. We shall apply all these four rules and convert this sentence into its passive voice form, and our sentence becomes tea has been taken by us. You can notice that in the given sentence tea was in the place of the object, but in the passive voice form it has taken the position of the subject. Then we have added has been, and after that taken and by are the compulsory addition, and we has been converted into us in our passive voice sentence. Here is its negative form. We have not taken tea. And you know that this is the structure for negative sentence formation of present perfect tense. We shall now convert it into its passive voice form. And our sentence becomes tea has not been taken by us. Here is the interrogative form of present perfect tense in its active voice form. Have we taken tea? And you know that this is the formula. And this is its conversion. Has the tea been taken by us? I hope you have understood the whole concept. We shall do some exercise now. The first active voice sentence is I have written a poem. And here is its passive voice form. A poem has been written by me. In the given sentence, a poem was the object, but in the passive voice form, it has taken over the position of the subject and it's comes in the start of the sentence. Then we have added has been because our according to the subject we change the form. We actually change the auxiliary verb. In the given sentence, it was have, but according to the subject, our poem, we have changed it into has. Our second sentence is he has not broken the rule. Rule has not been broken by him. Is its passive voice form. I have taken your pen. Sorry, have I taken your pen? It's our interrogative sentence. And its passive voice form is has your pen been taken by me? You can see that in the given sentence have was the auxiliary verb because of I, but our sentence has been changed into its passive voice form. So according to your, we can change the auxiliary verb. That is why I have changed the auxiliary verb into has. I have slept in the room. We cannot convert this sentence into its passive voice form because the sentence does not have any object. This is our fifth sentence. The boy has not ironed his clothes. And its passive voice form is his clothes have not been ironed. You can write by the boy in the bracket or you can omit it. This is our last sentence. Have you made tea? And its passive voice form is has the tea been made by you? Again, in the given sentence, you had have as the auxiliary verb because your subject was you. But as your subject has been changed into the tea, so according to the tea as a subject, we will use has as the auxiliary verb in our passive voice sentence. Now I want you to practice the following and convert these sentences of present perfect tense into their passive voice form. And after you have done your work, I want you to share and match your answers from this solution which is provided to you for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.